Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the cell or range that contains the long text you want to wrap. Once selected, make sure the column width is set approximately where you want line breaks to occur. This controls natural wrap points. Then, on the Home tab, click Wrap Text. That tells Excel to break lines inside the cell rather than overflow. You're doing this now because wrap text converts a single cell into a multi-line container without altering your data, preserving formulas and references. Once wrap text is active, you may need to refine where lines break. You can insert explicit breaks by placing the cursor inside the formula bar and pressing Alt+Enter. This forces a new line exactly where you choose. Make sure to adjust row height manually or use Home Format Auto Fit Row Height so all lines are visible. If space is tight, consider Format Cells Alignment Shrink to Fit, which reduces font slightly instead of adding more lines. To finish, review merged cells because wrap text can act unpredictably across merged ranges. Unmerge if needed. If lines look wrong, clear manual Alt+Enter breaks and let Excel recalculate automatic wraps, then reapply manual breaks selectively. For fixed layouts like dashboards, consider using text boxes or shapes with wrap text-like behavior to lock visual flow. If text disappears, make sure row height isn't 0 and that wrap text is still enabled. That single check resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.